Hi everyone, welcome to EnglishLogica's Expressions Shorts. This series of short videos deals with single expressions that we think you'll enjoy learning and will find useful. In this video, we cover the expression bring it over the line. This means to complete a task successfully and to meet a deadline. You can also say get it over the line and even bring it or get it across the line. Let me show you how to use it. Hi everyone, I'm Ramesh. I work here at Corp. Today we're going in for a meeting with our manager. Good morning everybody. I'll get straight to the punch. We have a significant project to complete and it must be completed by the end of the month. This won't be easy to bring over the line, but I know you can all do it if you work together. We'll pull out all the stops. We won't let you down. Thank you, Ramesh. Now, let's get to work. It's the end of the month. Well, the manager was right. This was a really difficult project, but it looks like we might get it over the line just in time. I'm delighted to announce that we brought the project over the line. As a reward for your hard work, there will be bonuses for everyone. Yay! Woohoo! So remember, when you bring something over the line, you complete a task successfully or you meet a deadline. Thanks for watching. Bye! Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.